Well, it's a new day and I guess a new direction in this project. We got it to start. We got it to run on starting fluid. It don't have a fuel tank. You see, it should have been here. But the auger didn't turn, and of course it being worm drive, you couldn't spin the transmission of it. So I had to start taking it apart and see what was going on. The gearbox didn't have no water in it. It had some good oil in it. Actually had quite a bit I had poured out. The bowl gear looks good. I think the worm gear looks good in it. So our next step, we got to take it apart here and see if there's something about the clutch, or if it has a pin or keyway or what, but nothing's moving in here. I'm gonna break it down a little further and I will show you what it looks like when I get there. It's gonna be a messy job, but so far everything's looking good. Motor runs good. Everything, I've straightened the bars out. Got the auger straightened out. We're too close to stop now. Like I said, I was gonna take it. Okay, I've got it apart. You can see they're like little brake pads. That's how the clutch works on this centrifugal clutch. A little stiff. I cleaned the pads really good with a wire brush. They are soft. I actually ate away the pad really quick. I had to be careful what I was doing. Cleaned it with some brake cleaner. I'm ready to assemble it back. Hopefully it will pull better. I didn't find anything wrong with it other than the clutches was slipping. It just wasn't expanding out like it should. So I sanded the inside of the drum, this part here where the brake shoes grab. I sanded it. I sanded both of them. Got them both clean. I didn't find any water anywhere, just some mud. I really don't know what happened to it, but we're going to assemble it back together and see how this thing works. See if we can't get it to spin. If I can get it to turn, it'll be worth putting the tank on. That's my next step. See if everything functions, and then we'll put a tank on it and get it where it'll actually run, not have to be sprayed.